What is going on, everybody? This is Finance and welcome back to another video. So today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get your quick access panel back in your File Explorer. And the only reason I'm doing this is because I myself did not know how to do this, and I just went over like in YouTube and I could not find any tutorial of how to do it. So hopefully this tutorial kind of helps someone out. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get right into it. Alrighty guys, so of course the first thing you're going to want to do is just go to your File Explorer. And once you're here, well, as you can see, I do not have my panel. So like if you're missing this, I'm gonna be showing you how to get it back. So it's actually quite simple, guys. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is just go to your view navigation panel, and right here there's gonna be a drop down. Just check navigation panel, and there you go, guys. Simple as that. I honestly did not know this. I feel really dumb for not knowing this, but hopefully this video kind of helps some of you out there. So yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. So have a good day, peace out, and of course, stay safe.